What's up? How you doing? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. And in this video I'm going to be installing Mayde's deep curl hair. And I was just at my beauty supply and I just strolled by and I saw it and I was like, what is this? I need to get this hair. Like, I have to get it. So I bought 3 packs, and this is deep curl, and it was the 3X. For this particular pack I paid $9.99 a pack, and they do have packs that have 2X, and those are like $7.99. Those are like $7.99 a pack. This is 20 inches. I did cut it a little bit because it was a lot. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want to see how I install this hair, just keep on watching, girl. Alright, so this is 1 pack of hair so far. The hair is really soft, but the thing that surprised me about this hair is it's so easy to pull apart. I thought it was going to be tangling. Now it did tangle a little bit, but so far it's very easy to pull apart. So in the back I left it as is, and then as I started getting closer to the top I started pulling the hair apart, and then I'm gonna try to shoot for the invisible method once I get towards the top, but I'm not sure. But yeah, y'all, this is what 1 pack looks like, and I bought 3, so I don't think I will run out as long as I just split the hair. right, so this is the finished product. This is day 2 of me wearing the hair, and I love it. It's super long, however it is tangling and it's super dry, so I haven't put on any product. I'm gonna have to go in with some mousse. And then I saw that Lila Vine uses the Hawaiian silk or Hawaiian silky, so I'm gonna go in and use that. But y'all, I'm in a different setup. This will be my new filming area. Bae and the kids put this together for me, so y'all will see me in a new filming setup. I'm in my basement, so yeah, I'm super excited. This is the hair, and y'all know I like the side part. I wanted something long and big for my birthday. I actually was going to install a Aruba curl, and I saw this hair by Mayde Beauty, and I was like, I gotta get that hair. So I did cut it, and I tried to shape it up to my liking, and this is what it's looking like. I still need to cut some pieces here and there, but y'all, I love this hair. I really like this big full look. I had missed a few parts on this side, so I did that, but this hair was the easiest hair I had to install, and pulling it apart was a breeze. Like, y'all know some hairs, y'all pull them apart and they get stuck or they get so tangled that you can't use that strand no more. Not this time, I'm not naked, y'all. I'll definitely be back for a review. Make sure you stay tuned for that. And yeah, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.